Hi, you guys. Happy Monday. Or sorry, Friday. Hi, you guys. Happy Friday. I am sorry that I am not here today, but I'm going to walk you through what you are going to be doing. So let me share my screen with you. Today, you are going to be focusing on revising your RBG slides and making sure that you are hitting all of the learning targets. And you will first complete a self-reflection, and then you'll go back through your slides and you will make the necessary changes so that you are meeting the learning targets. All right, so let me share my screen with you now, you guys. You're going to want to start on the Canvas calendar. Share screen. Okay, so if you are on the Canvas calendar and you click on today's date, Friday the 2nd, the assignment is titled Self-Assessment and Revision of the Who Was RBG assignment. Your learning target for today is to summarize key details of informational text and find relevant details to support the analysis of the text. Basically, can you read and comprehend a text and pull out the kind of main points of it and evidence that is in supporting of your analysis of the text. So your essential question for today is, what level of mastery did I present in my RBG slides? So you should have already submitted that assignment last week. So what your goal is today is to see where you fall in the rubric, and I'll go over that in just a moment, and then what changes and improvements do I need to make in order to show mastery. So if you scroll down here, this says watch my video guiding you through the directions. As soon as I'm done making this video, the link will be there for you. And then it says complete the self-assessment, and you hit this link right here and it's going to take you to this assignment. So up here on your screen, it will say submit. I'm in the teacher view of this, so I don't see it, but you'll click submit assignment, and then you'll be answering these 3 questions. So before revising your slides, what would you give yourself on the mastery scale? And I'll go over mastery scale in just a minute. Developing, nearly proficient, proficient, or highly proficient. I want you to explain what you did well on your first attempt at this assignment, and you should use the verbiage and words in the rubric that I'm going to go over in order to express yourself for that. And then the third question, what are you going to do to revise this assignment? So before you resubmit it, what work are you going to need to do to up that on the mastery scale? And again, using the language from the rubric. Okay, let's go back to what else was on the calendar. So once you are done self-assessing, you're going to want to actually go into your slides and revise them and resubmit. So on the assignment that's in Canvas, the original assignment for Who Was RBG, there is an option to submit as many times as you want to. So even if you've already submitted, you'll still have the ability to resubmit your new and improved revised version. And then your homework, as always, is to read for 20 minutes and log, and then also making sure that all your assignments from weeks 1 through 3 are completed. We start that next unit on Tuesday, and you will not be able to go back and complete these past assignments beyond that point. And I will make a little tutorial video as well that shows what I showed you guys yesterday for how to check your grades on Canvas. So let me show you then what the rubric looks like. And I'll post this on Canvas too. I haven't as the point of me doing this video, but I'll make sure it's posted by the time you guys see it. All right, so this is a breakdown, a scale of your ability to reach that learning target. So developing is, you've got basic comprehension of the text that you read, maybe inaccurate evidence or there wasn't enough, the summary was inaccurate or confusing, or there wasn't enough there for me to kind of have a way of seeing if you did understand the text, and then your analysis was not present or unclear. Nearly proficient, that bumps up a little bit. So some comprehension, you have evidence, but maybe it's just very minimal. You have a simplified summary and you're beginning to analyze the text, and then you bump it up for proficiency. You do have clear comprehension, you include accurate summary and details, your analysis is clear, and then that highly proficient, that would be like a 4 on the rating scale. You have mastery of comprehension, you have well-chosen and relevant evidence, and purposeful summary, and you're insightful in your analysis and focused on that critical thinking. So this is where you will be ranking yourself on. So when you go to that self-assessment assignment and it asks, were you developing, nearly proficient, proficient, or highly proficient, you'll be choosing one of these, deciding what your work that you showed on the RBG slides, kind of what category that fit underneath. And then just as some support too, in your slides, you should be doing both of these things, a summary and an analysis. So a summary of the text is you're identifying the main idea and including those kind of important key details. And there's a little short video here that you can watch that's kind of helpful with that. This is one of our key, what's the word I'm looking for? One of our key learning targets this year is identifying main ideas and important details. So this is really one that we're going to work with a lot. And then also analysis. So understanding and kind of putting your own thoughts into it. So what about it? What are your thoughts on some of the details that are in it? Kind of including your own reflection and personal connections. So this is where that critical thinking part really comes in, which is also a focus of this year. So with all this in mind, then you need to go to your RBG slides and revise them. And I will put these slides in the on the calendar as well for you guys. So I will stop sharing my screen. Stop. I hope that you guys have a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend, and you guys can email me at any point and I will do my best to respond to you. So have a lovely day.